In this video, I'm gonna tell you about Pronic numbers. A Pronic number is a number which is multiplied by two consecutive integers, meaning two neighboring numbers. A Pronic number is also called a primitive pseudo-perfect number and an oblong number. First, let's look at an example. 17 times 18. This is 306. 17 times 18. Also, it is a Pronic number. Now let's look at some examples. 1 times 2 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 4 equals 12. 4 times 5 equals 20. 5 times 6 equals 30. And 6 times 7 equals 42. And here this 42, this appeared in the video 42 and Douglas Adams because this appeared mostly. Well, do you want to understand a nice fact about Pronic numbers? If we multiply a number by 2 squares, well 26 times 27, 26 is equal to 702. Well, actually my pen is not working because I will fill its ink right away. 676 times 729, 492,804. And you can find a square number by multiplying two square numbers. The same way I will use is 31 times 32 is equal to 992. Here 992 is the last 3-digit Pronic number. But 32 times 33 is 1056 and it's a 4-digit number. So we say that 992 is the last 3-digit Pronic number. Well, if you check 9 times 10 equals 90 and 10 times 11 equals 110. It's a Pronic number. 11 times 12, 132, and 12 times 13 equals 156. But also if you add a 0 here, it becomes a Pronic number. And 13 times 14 equals 182. Here, this is becoming Pronic all the time. But do you know 552, it is known as a Pronic number and an oblong number. Because if you check the word oblong, the word ob means across and long means long. So that's why it is called as oblong. So let us recap. Pronic numbers are also known as primitive pseudo-perfect numbers. It is also called as oblong numbers. If we have done this recap, then let's find other Pronic numbers. 46 times 47 2162. So here 2162, it's a Pronic number. P-R-O-N-I-C, Pronic. But mostly in number day, we find that 304 is a primitive pseudo-perfect number. When you hear the word primitive, you think of a prime number. So the first 4 letters, primitive, you think of a prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Now let's do where do you know 9,900 is the last 4-digit Pronic number. Well, 49 times 50, 2,450. Here it has become Pronic, and I'll send you a group of Pronic numbers in the description, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.